Hello, hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. It's me, Richard, here. Okay, we are still with grade 9 Natural Sciences. Like we said, after a strong request from you, we decided to help you out. And we believe that this rock solid foundation will be your backbone during the pursuit of your career. So let us look at this question. It says that reproduction is the process where the parent organism produces new organism. Reproduction is a very important process responsible for continuation of species. In human and many other animals, the reproductive system produces sex cells which combine or fuse to form new organism, which we call offspring. So technically, this statement tries to briefly summarize what reproduction is. Reproduction is when an organism gives birth or lead to production of another organism. And there are several types of reproduction as we'll proceed. But at this time, this is what I want you to know, that during reproduction, we have a male and a female organism. The male produces the cells and the female produces the cells. Now, these cells find a way to come together and they fuse to produce one cell, and that cell is what changes into the new organism through a cell division process. So technically, that's what you're supposed to know for this level. So let's look at the first question. It says, write the name of the sex cells produced by the human female. Okay, we said male produce sex cells and female produce sex cells. So what are those cells which are produced by the female? If the female is human, then the sex cells are called ova if there are many, or ovum if it's one, or some people prefer to call them eggs or egg cell. So that is that. Then comes another question, says, write the name of the sex cell produced by human male. Yes, what is the name given by the sex cells produced by human male? It is called sperm. Then comes this question. It says, what is the name of the organ which produces sex cells in human male? Okay. The organ is testes. So that is that. So testes are located in male in a sac, loose sac outside the body between the legs, and that's where our sex cells, which you call sperms, are produced. Then comes another question. It says, write the name of the organ which produce sex cells in human female. Okay. Where are sex cells produced in female? Okay, they are produced from structures called ovary, which are located inside the female body, around the girdles. So the organ is called ovary. Then comes another question. It says, what is the common name for both male and female sex cells? The common name is gametes. Okay. Then comes the next question. The name of the stage or period when the bodies of male and the female start producing mature sex cells to enable reproduction. What do you call that stage? We call it puberty. Then comes this question. The name of the gland which produces the chemical messenger which control reproduction. The gland is called pituitary. The common name of the chemical messenger which controls reproduction. Okay, what are they called? They are called hormones. The name of the fertilized egg or ovum after fusion of male and the female gametes. What is that egg called? We call it zygote. The process when male sperms are introduced into the vagina of female, what do you call that process? We call it copulation. The process of fusion of male and the female gametes to form zygote. Zygote is the first cell formed after fusion. What's that process called? The process is called fertilization. The name of the period in female when the reproductive cycle comes to an end. What do you call that one? This period actually happens around, average age is around 45. Average means that some people can exceed it, some people can reach it before, and we call it menopause. The common name for prevention of unwanted pregnancy, it is called contraception. The name given to period of pregnancy from fertilization to giving birth. It is called gestation period. The name of the structure formed when the zygote undergoes cell division. When the zygote undergoes cell division, what is formed is embryo. The structure which supplies embryo with food and oxygen during pregnancy. What do we call that one? We call it placenta. The name of the structure which attaches embryo to placenta. What do we call that one? We call it umbilical cord. And with that, would like to thank you for all your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. And it's me, Richard, here. We urge you to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Please refer the channel to a friend. We believe you will not regret. See you next time. Bye-bye.